Surrounded by natural scenery and pristine beauty, you'll fall in love with the Wrynn floor plan. This 6,453 square foot home features a mixture of exterior finishes and custom details, including brick and stone masonry with copper accents that create a modern spin on this classic style. As you enter the large double doors of this 5-bedroom, 5-bath Wrynn floor plan, you'll find a spacious formal dining room that is perfect for holidays and special dining occasions. Just off the left, you'll find a private study with beautiful French doors and built-in shelves. Make your way to the designer dream kitchen, complete with a huge center island, built-in stainless steel appliances including a gas range, recessed double ovens and microwave, finished out with custom shaker-style cabinets topped off with granite countertops. This kitchen offers an abundance of space and comes with a large pantry for all your provisions. There is also a nook right off the kitchen that is perfect for meals with the family or after-school homework. The living room offers an abundance of space for entertaining your guests and comes with a beautiful floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace. Escape to the private master suite and relax in the serene master suite in the deep relaxing tub or the large walk-in shower with dual shower heads. This luxurious master bath also includes designer tile, custom cabinets, and dual vanities and a spacious walk-in closet. If you love to entertain, you'll be right at home in the upstairs game room. If you enjoy watching movies, you will love the media room that is perfect for watching your favorite movies or the big game. There are also 3 additional secondary bedrooms and 2 additional bathrooms. The Wrynn floor plan also includes a massive covered patio and can be upgraded with an outdoor fireplace perfect for relaxing outdoors by the fire. Call or visit First Texas Homes to find out more about building the Wrynn plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.